All right, the countdown begins, my friend. MYECON 2025 is on the horizon. 2025 is just a few weeks away, and I want to get you locked into MYECON now, because MYECON is getting ready to do some things that's going to help us as affiliates earn more residual income, not only make money but save money at the same time with the products and services that they're already offering. Now, one thing I want you to know is that MYECON is going global either this year, okay, before this year is out, or they're going to go global in 2025. The exact date and time I do not know, but what that means is not only is this just secluded to the United States any longer, it's going global. That means other countries can come in and promote MYECON, and you can promote it to other people in other countries, which is going to give you the opportunity to earn more money as an affiliate of MYECON. Okay, not only that, but it's going to help build bigger teams in MYECON as well. So if you get in now, you're going to get ahead of the other people who have not joined MYECON, and I don't want you to be left behind, because this is an opportunity that I believe is going to blow up. This is something that MYECON has never done before, and I want you to be a part of Team Richard and the funnel team. When you come into this system, we have everything that you need. Okay, we have the funnel set up. You got the emails done for you. Everything you need is inside of the funnel team, and you get that 100% free, over $10,909 worth of value when you join MYECON. So number one, MYECON is going global. Okay, this is a 20-year-old company. They've been in business debt free. Okay, so they have been around for over 20 years. So they must be doing something right, okay, in order to be debt free and to be in business this long. The second thing MYECON is doing is, in 2025, January 1st, 2025, they are coming out with a new service that's going to actually help you, okay, and its affiliates in MYECON earn more income. And that simply means more money in your pocket. Now, let's talk about MYECON just for a minute before I show you this new product. One of the things I like about MYECON is like a membership site, you know, with Netflix or Hulu or something like that. I even compared it a little bit to Sam Club or Costco, simply because you pay membership to go into those places to shop for your everyday needs. If you have a membership at those places, you go in there, you get your big bulks of tissue and paper towel and washing powder and all of those things. But the thing about going into Costco and Walmart is this: they do not reward you for referring other people to the membership. You go in and you're getting all these savings inside of those places, but if you go tell, you know, your neighbor, your friend, your church family, or whoever the case may be, you go tell them and they go get a membership, then you're not going to earn anything from that. You just gave them some more money, some more members, okay, but you help them save at the same time. But with MYECON, it's set up in a similar manner. You have a membership with MYECON that's going to help you save, okay? If you look on this screen right here, it's going to help. Let's go back up. It's going to help you save and make more money in investment by correcting your W-4, getting access to the credit system, the travel membership, the credit Defender Plus, debt elimination, minimizing taxes, and cash flow manager and cash flow strategies. Okay, so this is your membership, gives you access to all of this. Now, depending upon the level you come in at, you don't get access to everything that you see here. There are certain levels, okay, that you can come in at. Right now, we're running a special for $9.95, where you can get in right now, and I'll show you what you get with that $9.95 shortly. But this is just like a membership. Don't look at it as a network marketing company or any MLM. Look at it as a membership that you're sharing, okay, these savings, okay, that's going to help people save money and put more money back into their pockets, okay, instead of it going out, they have money coming in with the strategies that MYECON show them. So, and plus, by you sharing it with your family, your friends, your coworker, or whoever, you're going to be earning a monthly residual income, upfront fee, upfront earnings, and a monthly residual income as long as they remain a member. Okay, so unlike Costco and Sam Club, when you share this, you are able to earn, plus you get to get all the savings in here as well. So now let's go ahead and look at what you're going to get, the new product that's coming out. The new product that is coming out is called Viral Tax, okay? And the product overview is Viral Tax is an innovative online tax preparation service that provides clients with personalized, secure, efficient tax solutions as a division of MYECON Incorporated. Viral Tax connects clients with experienced tax preparers, ensuring maximum refunds and compliance tax regulation. Our online-only model allows for competitive pricing, making tax season stress-free. Okay, so you can come down here and see more. You watch that video and explain. These are the key features of it: personalized tax preparation, competitive prices, minimize refunds, maximize refund, nationwide service, fast service. Okay, your target audience, it tells you who your target audiences are right here and everything, so you're going to be able to see that. And then right now the affiliate structure has not been set up. That's to be determined. Personal sale commission to be determined. And to promote it right now, we can't do anything right now until they get all of this. This is another income stream inside of MYECON, because when people get their taxes done through your tax service, which is Viral Tax, you can earn a commission on this as well. So there will be a commission earned on this, and you're able to use the services yourself. So that's another benefit. This is a brand new product that's being released inside of MYECON that's going to help you with your taxes. Now, if you use TurboTax or Easy Tax Return, H&R Block online like I have, you know you made some mistakes and you ended up paying in more money than you got back, even though you were paying taxes during the year. Okay, no longer would that be a problem. With Viral Tax, you're able to get it done here and get it done correct the right way. Okay, so that's one of the things I like about MYECON. I love about MYECON is that everything in here gives you the ability to put money back into your pocket, save more money, and make money with the business opportunity side of MYECON. So let's take a look at the website. This is the actual website. We can't log in or do anything with it right now, but Viral Tax will begin accepting 24 tax returns on January the 1st, 2025. Now it's the time for you to get in MYECON, because it's going to go global, and now you have another income stream inside of MYECON that can help you earn more money, but on top of that, help you save money by getting your taxes done by professionals as well. So let me show you what you're going to get, okay, and how you can come in to MYECON with Team Richard and the Funnel team right now. All right, you can select your level and start earning today. Limited time, only December 12th through the 8th, 2024. Right now it's just $9.95 to join. With your $9.95, you're going to get the done for you system. We're giving you the training. We're giving you the funnel. We're giving you a custom app. We're giving you the content and marketing. We're emailing all of your leads for you. You're getting a done for you business in an app. All you have to do is watch, do, learn, and do. The benefits that you're going to get with the $9.95 is the income shifting tax strategy, giving yourself, if you have a job, a 10 to 15% raise on your paycheck, the My Credit system, how to personally repair your credit, cash flow manager to manage your personal finances through an app, investment education training, learn how to make your own money work for you. Plus, these additional courses and services are absolutely free. The YouTube University, $500 value. Craigslist posting software, $500 value. Social Mastery Blueprint, $700. Scalability Pro, $1,000 value. Free traffic and 1 to 10 spots in the team rotator, $497 value. And my personal rotator, which I have not set up yet, but I will be setting up a personal rotator myself. So you're going to get a rotator inside of the funnel team, plus my personal rotator as well, and plus earn spots in our team rotator. So that's the level you can come in right now for the special, the $995. Or you can come in at the $99.95, and these are the benefits you get right here. You're going to get the exact same system, 10 spots in our team rotator, to get the strategy, all of that right there. Click the link to view this page. You can see the information. You can enroll at the $39.95, okay, and or the $19.95. But right now, you come in for $9.95 by clicking the link in the description below. Comment on the video, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Also, go ahead and click that link. Make sure you join my econ with the funnel team and Team Richard. With that being said, I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace. Boom.